Last week gold breakout your last resistance 1980. After this breakout, there is no limit how high gold can go. Short term it can make correction, but long term it will go up. And your next big resistance is 2050. So buyers, your next target is 2050. And for next buying entry, if it goes down, make correction and retest 1980 level once again, you can buy, but this time target will be 2050. Or if it make deep correction, goes more down below 1980, then this time you can expect retest of 1950 level. So these are your static support and resistance level. And for more clarity, you have this dynamic support trend line. It is strong trend line tested many times last week. If trend line retest again, you will buy again. Or if this trend line break out this week, then you will wait until retest of 1950 level. Because last week I said gold is not overbought, and now it is verified by this breakout on Friday, new high 2008. But this week I say now gold is going overbought condition, and starting this week you can expect big size correction, maybe $50. As a beginner intraday trader below 1980, if it goes down this week, then you can buy, but manage your risk up to 1950. Retest of 1950 and lower this level is just a buying opportunity. Because if it keep going up this week and directly hit 2050, then it will go down and it will make vertical correction. For more clarity, if you see daily time frame, then trade based on 1984 level. This is your most important support level. Clear breakout on Friday. Your choice. You buy or sell this week, but this is your important level for all type of entry. And for risk management, upside 2050, downside 1950. You can see, like I said last week, war is over. It came down first 2 days of the week. You can say from Monday to Friday, war was decreasing. It gapped down on Monday, but immediately last few hours of Friday, war news came again and gold exploded. But most important thing last week was 4.9% GDP, more than expected. Same like your NFP, double expectation. And your CPI and PCE both are now sideways. And because of that super strong GDP number, I think Fed FOMC can be hawkish this week. If Fed sounds hawkish, then it can make $50 correction. It can come down vertically. Because Fed will not hike again. July was your last hike. But because of this strong GDP number, soft landing possibility has increased. And because of this, rate pause timing will definitely increase. And for risk management, if you see 1920 mean May 2024 rate cut or 2080 price means March 2024 rate cut, which will not happen because of strong GDP number short term. Fed Watch tool is showing small possibility of March rate cut, and this FOMC will not give you SEP, not dot plot. So this FOMC meeting is not important, only December FOMC meeting is important. For the December FOMC meeting, what they say about 5.6 terminal rate for next year, and after this week, what will happen to their one more rate hike forecast. They will hike December, or that one more rate hike can push into 2024. If that happen, then hawkish Fed can push gold back to 1950 level. Because soft landing bearish for gold, longer rate pause bearish for gold, and you have one more thing, highly overbought gold market. So I cannot say what gold will do this week on Monday, but after FOMC, Fed will forecast longer rate pause, and because of strong GDP, if he sound hawkish, then get ready for correction. Because only important thing in this FOMC speech is what he say about one more hike. Either that last rate hike completely dead this week or pushed into 2024, or what will be length of rate pause. Longer the rate pause, bad for gold. So 2080 level means March rate cut, which is not fully priced in right now, and 9020 means May 2024 rate cut. Weekly time frame, you can see 3 blue candlestick, and there is only one resistance, 2050. If correction come, everyone will buy and they will have TP 2050 to 2080. For intraday scalper, monthly time frame is most important this week. This week you will get new candlestick, November month, and this will close above 2080. If correction come because of Fed in beginning of the month, then that will be great buying opportunity. But instantly it will change entire market psychology. Or if Fed sounds dovish, say early rate cut in March 2024 instead of May, which highly doubt after a strong GDP number, then you can do FOMO buying right on Monday open target 2080. Because at the beginning of new monthly candlestick, if everything comes in favor of seller, profit taking from bulls, hawkish Fed, and NAP and ISM PMI number after FOMC speech. If GDP is strong, then I think ISM service PMI must come strong, same like GDP number. Friday both two number came strong, then gold can come down. Recently on each Friday it is going up, but this time this cycle can change. So H1 time frame for intraday scalper, super clear support and resistance. After this breakout, 2050 is your next resistance, which is not visible on H1 time frame. And your blue trend line tested multiple times, retest again, buy. This week you have big news, so you will see big price action this week. So this week if 1992 level retest, you can buy again TP 2050. If price goes down below 1992 and stay below this level, then short term you can say bearish and again retest of 1962. I think Fed will be hawkish and ISM PMI number will come strong. Because of that, two things, correction this week is possible. Maximum downside risk 1920 level and we ready up to 1962. And above this blue trend line, gold is bullish on H1 time frame.